Hey, didn't see you there. It's me again, Luigi, in case you forgot. Ah, so I heard that, some people. I heard that some of you were getting a little bored with me on, social media. I just wanted to, formally apologize for that. I've been going through a rough time lately. Just, in my own head a lot, thinking too much, you know? Uh, so I just wanted to be honest with you guys. I didn't forget about you guys. I still love you, my followers, and my viewers, my subscribers on all of my platforms. Thank you for following me. Thank you for all my likes and everything. I love you guys. I love the support. Keep it up. Ah! So without further ado, we're gonna make some bruschetta, because I'm gonna make bruschetta chicken tonight for dinner. Yum yum. So what you're gonna need: tomato. Come back here. Italian seasoning, lemon juice, a little salt and pepper, and some garlic. Yummy! Can I get a little help over here? I'm going to get some assistance, but I'm going to talk him through it. First, you're going to wash your hands. Take the sticker off the tomato. It's hard to get sometimes. Rinse it off. Okay, now you're going to dice it up real small, like, because we need it for a few meals. Like tonight's dinner and a leftover. So utilize as much as you can.
She's living here with another married man, and I'm like, what? I didn't know I was married. So how could I get in trouble for it? You know, I just found out too. So how could I get in trouble for it? But I was scared. I didn't know the Indian laws. I don't know what can happen. They asked him, do you love Jenny?
Yeah,
And he
that's
said, yes,
beautiful.
I love Jenny. He
Look at
said
it.
it to everybody. Yes, I love Jenny. That's what happened. His father-in-law, he filed a complaint with the police, and he took his ID and his passport and everything, and he just took it. Worse than anything I could have ever imagined. It's like you're having a nightmare, and you wake up and it's true. It's really happening. It's not a nightmare. It's really happening. That's what it felt like. Smith had just come here. He had been at his house. He had just come here in the morning, and his phone started ringing. He looked at his phone. He's like, oh. You know, he looked at his phone, and I said, what? Who's calling you? And he went out the door, and he said, look, Jenny locked the door. I was thinking maybe his father was down there. They found us. That's what I was thinking. 2 minutes later, there was a knock on my door. I opened it, and there was a man standing there with Smith. And he said, hello, Jenny, how are you? I'm Smith's wife's father. He's married to my daughter for the last 10 years. He's married to my daughter.
Be careful with the knife.
And I was like,
fingers. Oh,
I'm like,
be careful.
this is wild. Like,
Yeah.
what? I mean, but.
The tomatoes stuck together.
And I'm just like, oh my God. Like,
By the way, how are you
I didn't know how to react. I didn't know what to do. I was scared.
Gosh.
Why did he marry somebody if he loved me? He's telling me he loves me all these years, every single day. How did he marry somebody else? How is it possible to do that?
I can't wait to
I
eat
didn't
this
know
later.
that. His father-in-law is here sitting on my couch, and he's telling me the rest of the family members are coming. We're calling Smith's family. Everybody's on their way, and they want to meet you. That's what he said to me. He said they want to meet you. I don't know what these people are going to come in here and do to me. They're going to be mad. They're going to be angry, and I feel like they're going to go after me.
So we do
I said,
this,
what am I
and then
going
we
to do? I got
add
scared. I ran in
garlic,
my bedroom. Smith's out there trying to convince his father-in-law that nothing's going on. I was scared.
Italian seasoning,
I was
and
scared.
that's
I
our
didn't know how to feel. I didn't know what to do. I heard a crash in my living room. I jumped up and ran into my living room, and the rest of his family showed up,
olive oil,
including his wife.
and some
And his mom, she picked
salt
up
and
his
pepper.
tray and threw it on the floor, and
cook it in the pan.
When I came running out there, I ran straight through the whole family members. They were standing in a big circle in the living room. Smith was up against the wall, and he was in a funny stance like this. His cousin
And
was
some
holding him back.
mozzarella.
And
Cover it
I
for
said,
a
"See, I
few
grabbed him and I
minutes,
pulled him
and
back, and I was
you're
trying
good
to
to go,
pull him
baby.
into the
Yeah!
bedroom." But his
That's
mom
some good
grabbed him.
stuff.
His mom looked at me like, "If looks could kill, I
It's
probably
easy to
dropped dead
make
at that
and
moment."
it's
She
good
was like,
for
"Just
you.
look at me."
It makes lots of leftovers.
So I backed up.
If you have
As
enough.
far as I knew, after what I saw, she looked like she was gonna hurt him bad. Put him in jail. They're threatening to put him in jail, and we're gonna call the police. You're gonna go to jail.
Oh my God.
Jenny's gonna go to jail too, because we're gonna file a complaint against her too, because she's living here with a married man. And I'm like, but I didn't know he was married. So how can I get in trouble for it? You know, I just found out too. So how can I get in trouble for it? But I was scared. I don't know the Indian laws. I don't know what can happen.
Oh,
They
you throw a
asked him,
tomato everywhere.
"Do you love
Be
Jenny?"
careful.
He said, "Yes, I love
Pay a
Jenny."
lot
He
of
said
money
it to
for my
everybody.
produce,
Yes, I
man.
love Jenny.
Goodness
That's what
gracious. Getting reckless with the
His
tomatoes.
father-in-law, he filed a complaint with the police, and he took some of his ID and his passport and everything, and he just took it all, and then they were
It's
leaving, and they
posted on
took him. They took some
Instagram. So tomato.
out of here, and they took him
The
away
tomato
from
is
here,
finally
and I
chopped
haven't
up.
seen him
Pretty much,
since.
it's like little cubes, little nice bite-sized pieces.
And I don't know what to do. I'm living in India by myself. But that's what I do.
Put it in there.
I'm scared. It's a nightmare. Why is this happening right now? Why is this happening? I gave up everything I came in.
Next, we're going to add some lemon juice. Oh my god, my voice. What the frick happened there? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, friggin'
I don't know
heck.
what's gonna happen after this. I don't know what's my
God, you friggin'
I
heck.
don't know. I don't belong here.
That's all the lemon juice that I have. That's not enough, but it's gonna have to do. So we need some salt and pepper. I like a little kick to it. Now salt. Now Italian seasoning. Garlic. Oop. You can use garlic powder if you want. Oh, freaking heck. Oh my god. Okay, this is more tomato than I thought I'd have, so I'll add a little extra garlic. Yang. Okay. Let's put that back in the fridge. Okay, now we mix it up. Fresh pressed garlic would probably look a lot nicer. But this is what I have. Okay, and that's my bruschetta basically. Smells really good. It could use a little more Italian seasoning. It isn't colorful enough. Oh yeah, baby, that smells good now. Oh yeah, that's that nice garlic smell. Okay, so a little trick that I do though. Garlic tends to make lids for these containers and other containers smell really bad. So when you're storing it, I never use a plastic Tupperware container, always glass. And instead of using the plastic lid that it comes with that absorbs all of the nasty smells, I take a piece of aluminum foil, fold it to fit to size. Then I put the foil on top of it. Press around the edges. And holy crap, it's wrapped up. And the smell almost never comes out. Well, I mean, the smell doesn't escape the container. Yeah, it doesn't smell like garlic at all through it. Very surprising. Alright, well, that has been me making bruschetta. I'm going to make the chicken for it later, and maybe I'll record that on my Instagram Live. Thank you again for checking out my video today and watching us make bruschetta. Geez, that's heavy. Check out the links below to my other social media accounts. Check out my other videos, please.